In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the bulk order action feature. So this is going to allow you to process different orders in bulk. So what you're going to need in order to be able to use this functionality is firstly a custom fulfillment flow and a product that is linked to that custom fulfillment flow. So if I come over here to my products, and you'll see over here I've created this dark roast coffee. If I click in here, I can then go ahead and select a fulfillment flow. And what I want to do is select the custom fulfillment flow that I have created, and I'm going to hit save. So now this product is linked to that custom fulfillment flow, and you'll see the different statuses and processes that it needs to go through here. To create a custom fulfillment flow, what you're going to do is click on Setup for Products, and you're going to come here to Fulfillment Flows, and here you can go ahead and create a fulfillment flow. I do cover this in detail in the products playlist. All right, so now we want to go ahead and create some orders so that we can process these orders in bulk. So what I'm going to do is navigate over here to Orders, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Invoices, and I'm going to create an invoice. I'm going to select my customer, and I'm going to hit Save. I'm going to add a product, and I'm going to use my dark roast coffee. I'm going to hit save, and then I want to go ahead and collect a payment. So I do just need to go ahead and give my client here some shipping details. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this address and hit save. All right, and then I can go ahead and collect the payment for this order, record that payment, create the order, and then you'll see here in my sales section that I have this order pending. And if I click here on my flows, I can click change flow and view my custom flow. Now you'll notice that there is a checkbox next to this order. So I'm going to go ahead and place a couple more orders to show you exactly how the bulk order action works. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so you'll see that I have created these multiple orders, and now I'm going to go ahead and again change that flow to my custom flow, and you'll see that I'm able to select which of these orders I would like to process, and I can also go ahead and click here to select all of them. And from here, I'll be able to choose what actions I would like to take on these orders. So if I click on more actions, I can fulfill my orders, I can cancel these orders, I can download the invoices for these orders, or I can download the picking slips. The only thing I cannot do in a bulk action is refund. If I need to refund an order, I'm going to have to click into that specific order that I need to refund, go to more actions, and then I can refund that order. So that is how you can use the bulk order actions in the system. You can also go ahead and process these orders to the next step. So if I click on process, that will then move it to the packing section of my fulfillment flow. And if I go ahead and process those to the ship section, then you'll see that all of those items have been shipped. If I click out of my custom fulfillment flow, all of my orders have been processed. So that is how you can use bulk order actions in the system.